So we're out here in the Pine Island community, San Pablo area. Very nice little corner of things here. But this is our prep day, so we're bringing things, we're taking things, we're staging things up. We're taking up the pavers in the back and staging some of those for later because we're going to do a contrasting border. So we're reusing some of the old stuff and folding it into the new. We're not doing anything up front. We might do that later. It does look a little bit needy. We need to do this front. This is a beautiful home. We need to make a beautiful landscape for it. But we're going to do that in the back first, prove to them that we can do it, and then we'll come back later. This is our beautiful backyard here in Pine Island. And this is where we're starting our project. Taking out these travertine pavers, setting aside the good ones and taking out the bad ones. Just enough to do a border around it once we're done replacing the body of it with some nice white marble travertine. Doing a slight expansion on the sides. Just sort of cleaning up the shape of it. It's sort of this like keyhole ornate shape. And we're just going to give it a nice, more squared shape. We are also including some reworking of this bulkhead. We do know it's a common problem with bulkheads that the water comes in with the tide and grabs some dirt and then takes it back out with the tide. So we're trying to dig down, put some filter cloth in, and keep the dirt in while the water goes back and forth. It can be a common problem. We kind of see some of the neighbors had the issue. It's just sort of common elsewhere as well.